Hey guys, what's up? And it's time to do a speed test comparison between Samsung Galaxy A20s versus the Oppo A5 2020. Oppo A5 2020 comes with a Snapdragon 665 processor with a 3 gigs of RAM, and it is a 3GB RAM variant that comes with a 64GB internal storage, and this variant is officially launched in Pakistan, while the A20s comes with a Snapdragon 450 with a 3 gigs of RAM, and we have a quad cameras on the back on the Oppo A5 2020 versus a triple cameras on the A20s. So let's quickly boot both of these phones up at the same time. Logo came up first on the A20s, followed by the Oppo A5 2020. Oppo A5 2020 is faster when it comes to booting up, while the A20s is still taking some time. And now it is also done on the A20s, about 4 or 5 second difference there when it comes of booting up speed. So, and you can see both phones comes with a 720p IPS LCD display, but the display is much better on the Oppo A5 2020. So like always, everything is closed up in the background like always. Phone dialer that is faster on the Oppo A5 2020, followed by the A20s. Launching the settings, and that is again faster on the Oppo A5 2020. So moving on with some more applications, so we have is the My Files, and that is again that felt a little bit quicker on the Oppo A5 2020, followed by the A20s. My Clock, and that was about the same on both phones. Launching the calendar on both phones, and that is super duper quick on the Oppo. Not Oppo, Samsung Galaxy A20s is faster there, followed by the A5 2020. So moving on with some games applications. So first we got is the Candy Crush Saga, and faster on the Oppo A5 2020 with a faster processor compared to the A20s, which has comes with the Snapdragon 450. So next up is the Subway Surfer, and that is again faster on the Oppo A5 2020, while the A20s is still taking some time, and now it is also done about 2 or 3 second difference there. So last game application we have is the Temper Run 2, and seems like A5 2020 is faster. Yes, it is faster than the Samsung Galaxy A20s, and A20s is a little bit expensive than this Oppo A5 2020 with a 3GB RAM variant, and you can see, and the app's opening speed is faster on the Oppo A5 2020 with the game start loading times. So last opening up the application that is called as a cameras, faster on the Samsung Galaxy A20s, followed by the A5 2020. So moving on with the internet browsing speed, I am using Samsung internet browser on the A20s versus a Google Chrome on the A5 2020. So first website is the Amazon.com, same Wi-Fi network on both phones. And you can see that was about the same on both phones. Maybe Oppo A5 2020 is just a tiny bit faster there. Let's see this scrolling, and you can see very smooth on both phones, no lag whatsoever, and you can see very smooth on both phones. So next website is the wwe.com. It's a heavy website. So Oppo A5 2020 is done, almost done, while the A20s is again, now it is also done on both phones, and you can see, and the scrolling is very bad on both phones, not smooth on both phones. I noticed some lags on both phones, and you can see, and I think A20s is more smoother than the Oppo A5 2020. Both phones is not very smooth. So let's see the important part of this video, the RAM measurement, and both phones comes with a 3 GB RAM, and that got refresh on the Oppo A5 2020. Let's see the settings, and that is again refresh on the A20s like always, because in my last videos A20s is performed very bad in the RAM management. And that got refresh on both phones with the Candy Crush Saga. Refresh. Same thing with the Temper Run 2. And last we are back to the internet browser. That is also got refresh on both phones. And overall I would say that the app's opening speed it is faster on the Oppo A5 2020 with the system based application as well as a game apps loading times. A20s is right behind to the Oppo A5 2020 in every application. RAM management is much good on the Oppo A5 2020 while the A20s is perform very bad in the RAM management. Both phones need some more improvement in the RAM management. I hope the RAM management will improve with some software updates in the future. And thank you so much for watching this speed test comparison between Samsung Galaxy A20s versus the Oppo A5 2020 with a 3 GB RAM. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Subscribe to my channel for future content. Follow me on Facebook, Instagram, and I will catch you guys in my next video. Peace out.